going on, Pack Rats? Back with another video. I've got some stuff that I've been waiting on for a very long time. For whatever reason, it's just taken forever to get here. If you watched a couple of videos back, it's this one again. So, in the last video I talked about the one that was going to the wrong address. It was the same thing with this one. However, it didn't ever go to the address. I caught it before it went there, but it still took 3 weeks. It's just ridiculous, like how long it takes. So I've got 4 things for you today. I've got 2 Entertainment Earths. I've got a Walmart that is a pop, and you can fill it. It's not in a sorter. You can... It's damaged, I can tell. And then I've got another one that I'm not sure what it is. I'm sure it's something that I bought off of Instagram or something like that, because it's not from a company and I don't recognize the name. So I'm not sure what that is, but we're going to get into that. So first, we're going to get into this disaster right here with Walmart. I don't even understand why they even attempt to do this stuff. Like, who packages this stuff? And it's ridiculous. So, oh gosh. Ugh. This is... Anyway. Look at this. Look at that. That is a disaster, is what that is. Like, there's no words. As soon as this came in, I knew what this was, because I'd been watching the tracking, and I felt it broken and bent in the box. And I found another one, which you would have saw on the other video before this one. But this is just a disaster. This stuff is... There's a lot of companies that are trying to do better. Walgreens does excellent. I've never had anything damaged from Entertainment Earth, other than it takes forever. Hot Topic has stepped up a lot lately. I've not gotten anything in a bag from Hot Topic in a long time. So, but this shouldn't happen with a collectible. Anyway, I'm going to pop this out so you can see it if you didn't see it on the last video. But this box is trash. It's ridiculous. Glow-in-the-dark Mysterio, zombie Mysterio. So, still a really cool piece. Everything seems to be attached and in good shape, but it's ridiculous. Every collector that I know cringes when they see stuff like that. But Zombie Mysterio, very cool piece. So we'll put him right there for now. So let's get all this nonsense out of the way. Alright, let's go to the one that I'm not sure what it is. So it says DuckTales Trick or Treat. I guarantee you it is not that. So let's cut this thing open and see what we've got here. And I don't remember. Alright. Let's see what... Oh, okay, I remember this one now. Gosh, it's dusty. I'll show you here. And it's kind of in bad shape, but it'll work. Ugh. Deadpool. So this is a custom that I found with a guy on Instagram. So I saw it and he had it on a post, and I hit him up about it. And I'll probably get me a different box or something for it. But it does have a little damage right here, which I knew that when I bought it. I got a decent deal on it. So Glitterfied series. I can't read what the name of the custom is. So it's got glitter on it and it's pink. So yeah, as you know, I'm a Deadpool fanatic, so I saw that, had to go ahead and grab it. We'll put it somewhere in the collection. So we'll pop this out real quick and take a look at it. Hopefully glitter doesn't go everywhere. It's a little sticky, but pink Deadpool. Got glitter gear. The eyes are glittered white and black, and then the gun gold. The gun being gold, that's pretty cool. So, but yeah, so decent, decent pop, decent custom. We'll put it somewhere in the collection. Anything Deadpool has a home with me, you know, somewhere. So. But cool. If you're watching the video, the guy that I bought it from, cool. Thank you. So Deadpool custom. All right. Sorter. Can use that. Keep your sorters. Don't throw them away. All right. Let's get into Entertainment Earth. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, okay, I remember this one. All right. Zombie Wolverine. So this was the Entertainment Earth exclusive. So I kind of had to do it through Entertainment Earth. Glow in the dark. So, you know, like I was saying on another video, Walmart has Zombie Wolverine with a Walmart exclusive sticker, which it's not. So if you see one of those, or you have one that has the Walmart sticker on it, that's not an actual Walmart exclusive. So, and it doesn't make it worth anything because they did thousands of them. Ooh, this one is the first one I've seen. Take a look at that. I have a feeling that this whole thing glows because it is almost translucent. You can see, like, look at his jaw. And then if you look at his skull, you can see the metal underneath. And at first I was like, I don't get that, but it's because he has the adamantium in him. That's a cool touch that I did not think about at all. So that's very cool. And I'll put a picture up on the screen of it glowing. That one is, wow. They did not disappoint with that one. So Wolverine, Zombie Wolverine. Oh, that's cool too. Take a look at his arm right here, where his arm is deteriorated back, and you can see like the metal arm. That's pretty cool. That's a very cool piece right there. If you have the common, I suggest trying to find that one because that's a cool one. Let's pop this thing back in here. Let's see what this last one is. I think I have an idea of what it may be, but I'm not 100%. So, last one. Let's see what we've got. So it's packaged very well. Ooh. It is what I thought it was. Ooh. Absolute carnage. This is a very cool one that came out. Very cool. It's got the big base on it with all the skulls and stuff. So. And it is a deluxe. We'll pop this one out. Let's see what it looks like. It looked cool from the artwork. I've not seen one in person, but some of the other stuff that I've seen that didn't look that cool did not disappoint. So, ooh, ooh, this one does not disappoint. Yeah, oh yeah, this thing is bad. Take a look at that thing. Wow. Look at the detail. In the back. So if you look on the tombstone, so you've got Eddie Brock, you've got Logan, Rogers, and Parker. So it's basically on tombstones of Captain America, Wolverine, Spider-Man, and Eddie Brock, which is, if you don't know, is currently in the movie part of it, of Venom, is the one that possesses Venom. So, man, look at the head. Look at the detail in the head and all the different lines and grooves in it. You've got skulls. Even the back of it is like got a ton of detail. And I like how the paint, if you notice, like, see where the best place to see it is. If you look on like the back of the head, the paint, it's red, but you can kind of see like a black tinge to it, and it kind of makes it look spooky. That's very cool. That's a really cool piece. If you don't have this one, I highly suggest checking this one out. And this one's been out for a while as well. It just took me freaking forever to get it. Like, forever. So, but still a very cool piece to have. Also, something else that I want to add that I forgot on the last video, but we got a giveaway going on. So if you look down in the description below the video, there's a listing for a survey. If you do that survey, I want your 100% honest opinion of what you think of the channel, the content, what you would like to see. Put it on there. Fill that thing out as truthful as possible. And at the end of the month, everybody that did it is going to be entered in to win some free pops or merchandise of some sort. Do that. If you're not following me on Instagram, at thetexaspackrat, do that. There is some stuff going on over there that you'll want to see. I appreciate your time today. Have a great day. Take care of one another. Make sure you subscribe. Have a great day. See you.